Right, today we're going to try and get rid of this van. Well, we're going to try and make some leaps and bounds to get rid of the ABV. So instead of sitting here trying to film a video, whispering into a microphone like a creep, let's get that done. So first up, gotta head down to the wash place, wash it. Won't be able to film in there because there'll be people getting all weird about it. And then I'll come back, shoot back, and we'll do some interior detailing and actually try and fix whatever's in the back that needs to be fixed. Because I don't think I've ever actually showed you guys any video of the back of that van, which is actually probably its biggest selling point, to be honest, because it's not just empty. Yeah, so let's go do that. Anyway, that's right, this isn't a webcam, this is my phone. Hold on a minute. What's going on here? That's it. The new door cards look like that. They did before and they will continue to look like that now. We need to actually really give this thing a clean. Wow, it's a step up. So these seats, pretty sure I said this earlier in another video, aren't actually the factory APV seats. We have an armrest and sushi for whatever reason. So I ate it, but it's there. So, of course, upgraded head unit, all the bits and pieces. It's really hot in here, so I'm going to start the van up very shortly. AC does not work. Surprise, surprise. Of course, cute little dash with all the most important things, of course. Idiot lights around the bottom there somewhere. Get rid of that. Put the steering lock on. Temp, speed, and fuel. And of course, Odo. The little screen down there. And if you need anything more, well, that's on you, bud. Anyway, next is this, which I can guarantee isn't going to work. So we're going to twist a key and see if it works today, because it doesn't like being hot. The tag, the Alibaba tag. Now, see, who was it? The builder guy, big dude, brought a K truck recently, and in the States there, and it has the exact same gauge in it. And I feel like saying, like, rip that shit out. Oh, goddamn, 2 hands. Come on. Oh, I think we just missed it. Right, we'll turn it off again. There it is. It works today. So let's not fuck around while it actually works. Oh, the engine light's gone today. Nice. Means it's a perfect day for photos, but so we're back on the lawn after taking it for a wash, and as you can see, oh, it's all nice and shiny until we get like here and all of this shit. You just don't scrub, if you know what I mean. I think some of that actually might be rust as well, but you know, the brushes, they just don't scrub. So that's going to have to do it for the exterior. We'll put not perfect, just enough. And I've noticed this and another gouge down there, which tells me people aren't playing nice in car parks, but that's okay. So let's get some exterior shots done, and I'm going to do it on the lawn after saying you shouldn't do it on the lawn, because yeah, fuck it, let's get on with it, and then do the interior the detail the interior the detail, sure. Right, exterior photos done. We can't take photos of this. So let's clean this out. Basically, we need to do some fixes, as I said. Maybe get that in line so people can see it, but also get this filth and this crap and this grossness and whatever that is.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Out of there. And clean up all of that. As you can see, there's fucking rubbish and shit in there. And of course, in the back here, all of this niceness needs to just take a hike for a minute so we can get a nice picture of the toolbox and side storages. Well, toolbox, sleeping apparatus, complete and incomplete. So we'll take this out too, because this is my toolbox, keeps my tools and stuff in it. Interior lights, probably fix up that wiring so it's not hanging down looking like stupid. And this cable here, along here somewhere, there is a cable. That's for a reversing camera. I think I'm just going to use some of the carpet like this just to cover that side step and just clean it up. Yeah, so let's get into it. Right, now with the front interior basically all VRP'd and ready to go. I think I've done videos on this before, but maybe not. Anyway, I use Chemical Guys stuff. Not sponsored, just to. Is it Chemical Guys? Yeah, Chemical Guys. So the VRP, their interior cleaner, the Invisible stuff, Invisa cleaning acid stuff, that shit does just the wonderfuls. So, all I'm going to include in the photos is what's necessary to the van is there as well. So, basically, everything that's important to the van, right there. I won't take any photos of it, but just because, you know, whatever. But basically, that's all that really needs to be there. Any documentation that belongs to the car. I don't have proof of registration anymore. No, I should do. It should be in there. Proof of the previous owner's registration, not mine. Anyway, just to help the roadworthy guy tell Queensland roads that the car was registered in Queensland. Even though if they punch in the VIN number, they already know it's been registered in Queensland. You know? No, I don't know either. So basically, floor's clean, dashboard shiny, doors clean-ish, as clean as you can get them. Basically, let's sort that out real quick actually. And hop in here without the door slamming on me would be fantastic. And see if we can't just, ooh, that's a bit hot. Just tuck this horribleness away. There's probably some sort of fix like a cable tie or something that, ow. Okay, maybe they're not going to be able to sort themselves away. But that's better. Instead of it all hanging down, just tucked up and like that. So let's take a few pictures of this. I am going to leave this. I really don't want to invest any more real big time into it, just trying to sell it, so I will just get rid of it how it is currently sitting, except for all the stuff in the back that still needs to move, but we will do that later on. So here we go. This is probably going to be our first shot, something like this, stating that it is, probably get this out of there, but stating it is a fucking manual. So boom boom boom, something stating the case, and then remembering what has actually been done, just making sure there's nothing hiding in there, which there isn't. This probably needs a freaking hard out decent clean, but that's okay. Every time I try and clean it, it goes a bit funky anyway. So yeah, let's get some photos of this interior, this front part of the interior, the bit where you're going to be spending a lot of your time anyway. So I don't know why people spend all this time taking pictures of the backs of their APVs when 9 times out of 10 you're spending a lot of time in the front of your APV. Right, so there we have it, people. It is up on the Facebook. It is cleanish. Won't go around the front too much, but basically clean, done. Interior beautiful. And of course photos of all of this goodness. Now some of this will not come with it, of course. That and some of the internal and inside things that are inside of the toolbox. But basically everything's all good to go. Everything's all cleaned up, everything's all tidied up. Still didn't get that part. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. It's pretty quick, pretty nasty edit. But let's hope we can do something nicer, well not nicer, something different next time I'm out here with a camera. Like, I don't know, buying a car or just having a car in general, not a van. So, let's get this done. Let's get let's get some pictures of this and get on with it. More people just parking on the side of it. Look at these fucking monkeys. They're just, I better not show you, but they basically just park in front of the house to text or take a phone call or whatever, or sort out their maps or their radio or whatever the fuck they're doing. They have fucking handless bloody Is that my boss? Remember, remove your filth. If you're trying to sell a car, remove the filth. There's nothing worse than looking at a car on Facebook or Trade Me or whatever else Australians use. I know they don't use Trade Me, even though they should, because you can. Yeah, it just looks filthy. You know, don't sell a filthy car.
That lower receiver is turbo fucked.